This is meteorologist Carl Bonak. Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for December 3rd and 4th. On the 3rd, the high cooled back a little bit to 26. The low still above average at 21. Put it all together, close to normal for December the 3rd. The record extremes 59. In fact, that's the warmest December reading up on the hill at the National Weather Service, set in 82, then again in 98, and a low of 12 below zero in 1976. And there was some snow early in the morning on the 3rd especially, and overnight. 3.2 at Ironwood, 4 from our weather watcher at Paynesville in Ontonagon County, 2.8 at Escanaba, Sioux Hill to be specific, and the most we could find, at least from those of us who let us know, Peavy Falls had 6 inches of snow in Iron County. We have a winter weather advisory for more snow and maybe some mixed precipitation over roughly the western half of the UP. For Wednesday into Wednesday night, heavy wet snow should develop, and that'll also affect portions of Wisconsin too. A disorganized scene right now, but the system will get its act together. The system, low pressure, that should be in eastern Iowa in the morning, heading to the northeast. It'll deepen as it does so. A band of wet snow should develop from Minnesota up into the UP, spread across, and then as this low heads up, we expect warmer air to be working into the system from the southeast. So precipitation should mix with maybe some freezing rain and sleet briefly, but then all rain in the eastern UP. There could even be some mixing in the west, but over the far west, that's the best chance of getting primarily snow out of this. Then the low pressure area will lift to the north-northeast, and behind it for Thursday, very cold air comes in on strong westerly winds. We'll have the lake effect in the west wind snow belts, and temperatures will probably start out their highs for the day before sunrise and then fall many locations through the day. As far as snow amounts out of this for Wednesday into Wednesday night, only an inch or two in the east before it changes over to rain. 2 to 4 in the central UP, places like Marquette down to Iron Mountain before a mixture, maybe even a changeover takes place. And the best chance of the most snow in the western UP from the Copper Country back down toward the Gogebic Range and the high country of the western UP, 4 to as much as 8 inches of snow. Your TV 6-day forecast. We say 20s on Thursday, but again, temperatures should fall, and then Friday into the weekend, very cold. The coldest days likely Friday and Saturday because of the wind. Highs may not get to 10 above in some western interior locations. Lows at night around 0, if not below. Maybe a bit of moderation temporarily late in the weekend.